Welcome back, artists. Good day, mates. Today we are going back down under to Australia and we're going to visit some of the animals that live there. So today we're going to draw some koalas, and I just happen to have some really cute little koala heads on my ears. I don't know if you can see them. So today we're going to draw this cute little koala bear in a tree. All right, so let's get started. All you need today is some paper, just a white piece of paper, or colored if you prefer, and then some pencils or crayons and markers, okay? So the main colors that we're going to use today is blue for the sky, gray and black for the koala bear, browns and tans for the tree, and then green for the leaves, all right, in the tree. So let's get started. All right, off to the side of our paper, we're going to take our pencil or our pen or marker, whatever you prefer. I'm going to do marker so that you can see the lines. And we're going to draw two round circles for our eyes. Okay, and we're going to color those in. And then we are going to kind of make a U or a rainbow line. I like to call this a rainbow line. And we're going to bring it down because koala's going to have a long nose, and then we'll flatten it at the bottom there, okay? And then right down here, we're going to make two lines that are curved towards the center. Okay, and then we're going to make a kind of a curved line, like a rainbow line, around the head, and then we're going to curve the sides and flatten at the bottom. Okay, so they kind of have a different shaped head. Okay. Then the ears on koalas have pretty big ears. So right here, we're going to make the ears kind of big off to the side. Okay, and then we're going to go back and kind of give it a little fur off by making little zigzag lines. Okay. And then inside, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to kind of zigzag another smaller half a circle right there for the inside of the ear. Okay, so then we are going to come off the back here, off the side of our head, and then we're going to do the back side and the side of the body. So we're going to come down and circle up. Okay. And then we're going to come back around just like that. So it's the hind leg. Okay. And we're going to make, again, some fur to give it texture. Okay. And then we're going to take our foot here and kind of, we'll bring a foot out here. Can you see that? And then do three little part triangles like it's a zigzag and come down, and that's going to be our foot. And then right here, we're going to make a curve around. And that's going to be our arm. Okay, and we'll make a little zigzag again for the hand. Okay. And then right here, we're going to put him hanging onto a tree. So we're going to make a curved line coming up here. Okay, and then we're going to curve it. So I'm pretending that it's just running straight down, okay? And like it's not a separate line, okay? And then we're gonna do another one parallel to it. I'll probably bring a little branch up here, okay? We're just gonna keep just like that, okay? And that's our tree. All right, then inside that tree, we're going to just do little lines for the bark to give it a little texture. Okay, then if you want to, koalas oftentimes eat eucalyptus leaves. So we'll put some leaves here off of this tree so that it has something to eat. So just small little branches. Okay. All right, there is our koala bear. Now we're going to go in with some gray. And the one thing that I like to do when I am coloring in, especially an animal, is I go around with either a darker marker and then color in with a lighter marker, or I take a crayon and I press hard around the edges and make dark outlines around the edges, and then I go in and I color in the middle, okay? Making the nose darker gray by pressing down a little bit harder in the same crayon, and then making this kind of lighter around by giving a light pressure to the crayon. So again, we're changing the value of our crayon or the shade of it, the color of it, by the pressure that we put on the crayon, okay? And our ears, I'm going to color the outside of it darker gray, and then the inside lighter gray. I'm going to do the same with the brown in the tree. I'm going to outline these dark black lines, the texture, with pressing harder in with my brown crayon and then coloring lighter. And then, voila, here is my finished product. Okay, and then we have a beautiful, cute little koala bear in a tree. All right, guys? I would love to see your koalas. So take a picture and post them. And remember, keep creating. And if you make a mistake, make it a happy accident. Don't stress about it. It's just art. All right? Keep creating.